Hello student, I am Deepak sir from Golden Public School. Now we are going to start the second part of the chapter 3, two stories about flying. First part is first flight we have completed. Now this is the second part, Black Aeroplane, that is written by Frederick Forsyth. Yes, let us start the chapter. In this chapter, the narrator is a pilot who is so eager to meet his family and have good breakfast. He wanted to meet his family and he wanted breakfast, good breakfast, that he takes the wrong decision. Yes, my dear, it was his wrong decision in the bad weather of facing a storm. Instead of doing the right thing, he was not doing the right thing. He wanted to go to his family. He wanted to have the breakfast, but it was his wrong decision. Miraculously, he somehow managed to escape with the help of a mysterious aeroplane. Yes, he could manage to save himself, but with the help of the mysterious aeroplane. The story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot. Uh, the story is about a pilot who feels happy and contented to fly. He was satisfied to fly over a city that is sleeping, because means it was the night time, and he wanted to go to his family to have the breakfast. At the night time, he was going. He is flying from Paris to London. Note it down, my dear student. This is a very important line. He is flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, he dreams about the long holiday. Oh, he's dreaming with his family and he's taking the flight. But it was his wrong decision because the weather was not so suitable for him, but he was just going. It was not favorable, favorable. He also fantasizes about the breakfast. Yes, he's imagining, oh, he's taking the breakfast, so and so. He would have upon landing. He was just imagining. As soon as he crosses Paris, he gets a look of dark cloud that were a sign of the upcoming storm. Hence, when he was in the flight, he was going from Paris to London. On the way, he just confronted with the dark clouds that were a sign of upcoming storm. Dark clouds in the sky means upcoming storm, and you know the storms are disastrous. The right decision would have been turned back to Paris. What was the right decision? The right decision was that he would have come back to his Paris, and he should not go there. Where? London, with his family to have the breakfast. He wanted to go, but for the sake of the safety, it was his right decision that he should return back. But he didn't do like that. But he being overshadowed by his dream. He was in his dream. He was just willing to go to his family as soon as he could. That is why sometimes we cannot think of what is right. We just become the slave of our feelings, and not wanting to delay them. He did not want to delay. No, weather is nothing. I will just cross it. He was thinking like that. Risk the life of the passenger and head straight into the storm. He was taking. Everything gets dark. Yes, it was dark. He is unable to see all his direction. Instruments stopped functioning, means he was not able to see anything. His instrument also stopped functioning. He lost control of the plane also. When all hope was lost, he was thinking that now his end is near. He saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. Yes, he saw another plane that came. Mysterious plane came. Mysterious pilot, came. Nobody knows from where. Okay, and that came to rescue them. The author was panicking as there was very less amount of fuel left. Fuel was very less. That pilot guided them out of the storm. Pilot guided them out of the storm and disappeared as soon as they saw light. Means the mysterious pilot that was coming to help to rescue them, to rescue the pilot, after giving them the proper direction, okay, it disappeared as soon as they saw the light. Dark clouds vanished, and he crossed the dark clouds with the help of that pilot who came to rescue. Upon landing, when he asked the lady in the control room about the other pilot, where is the other pilot that came after me, or with me, that was guiding him, he's left in shock. Yes, the lady who was in control shocked him by saying that, sir, there was the only one plane in the sky, and that was yours, not others. He was shocked that he was guided by a mysterious plane. Who was there? Who came? God. Who came to help? Who came to rescue? But that was like a God who came to rescue him, and ultimately he was saved, and he was surprised also. My dear student, read the chapter thoroughly, the textbook, the NCERT book, the chapter of this you must read thoroughly. Okay, if you have any problem, anything, you just contact me, and you have to do NCERT question also. Okay, my dear student, the chapter is completed. You must read the chapter. If any problem is there, contact. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.